How you doing? A buddy of mine told me I should post a few videos on my other little project here I have going on. This is a Huffy that I purchased off eBay. I'm going to make like a little, I don't know, everyday little hot rod little bike out of it. Rat rod little bike, I guess. It's an old Huffy. Kind of looks like an old Schwinn I had when I was a kid. It didn't come with the sprung front fork on it. It had this on it, but I thought that would look really neat, so I picked that up off eBay. Cleaned the fenders up on it. Came out pretty good. It's not gonna be perfect. It's still got a few scratches here and there in it, just like the back fender's got some dents and whatnot, but it's just going to be a bike that's ridden, not just looked at. Still got a lot of the original decals on it. The seat's pretty beat though. I'm going to have to figure out something on the seat. I don't think I want to go with a sparkly green banana seat. I might go with a black seat. Gotta find myself some rims. The bike I got came with this. I'm going to go for a 5-speed though. I'm going to try putting together. I don't know a whole lot about the bikes. Like I said, a friend of mine's helping me out with that. I want to get a mag sprocket for it too. Something different than that. Like I was saying, I had a bike like this when I was a kid that my brother had put together. It had the big 5-speed shifter and whatnot on it, but it had a fork just like this one, chrome front fork, and I was gonna go with that, but I saw that and I thought it looked a lot better. I've got the bars. I think it'll look pretty neat. I do have a rear rim that's a 26-inch that has a disc brake set up on it. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I have to see about getting that laced into a 20-inch wheel so that I can use it on this bike, because I think that rear disc would look really neat. But I don't want to go any more than 5 because I want to make sure I can still use that chain guard. I just think it looks really neat. I'll keep you up to date and post a video with the next step.